Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model very simple and basic cube character, very simple character with a box, and then I am going to animate that character. Very simple animation. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple box character and a very simple animation. This is a very simple animation of a box jumping. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.